All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome. You should have got your new HMH books today. So you should have given Miss Selena your old books and gotten your new books today. Okay. So yay, we're finally in the second or the third module. So for our reading lesson today, we are going to be working on page 12 to 13. So you can go ahead and open up your HMH books to page 12 through 13. 12 and 13. Okay? All right, so the story we're going to work on is called Meet Me Halfway. Before we start reading the story, we're going to be talking about the central idea or the main idea. So the main idea or the central idea is the most important thing or point about the topic. So the most important part is called the central idea. So the topic is the person or thing the story is about. And supporting evidence is details, facts, or examples that tell us about the central idea. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We are working on Meet Me Halfway. So looking at this story, Meet Me Halfway, we can see that this is a, what is this? It looks kind of like a comic book, right? It looks like a comic book. And we know that because it has pictures and it has little speech bubbles, and the pages are divided into different scenes. All right, let's go ahead and start reading. Meet Me Halfway.
Short read. Meet me halfway. What does it mean when people say, let's meet in the middle? They are talking about compromise, or a way to end a disagreement. When people compromise, they each give up a little of what they want. These comic strips show examples of compromise.
So to compromise means to give up a little bit of what you want so you guys can meet in the middle, right? All right, so if I wanted a lot of things and my friend wants a lot of things, and we're both not going to get what we want, we need to meet in the middle by giving up some of the things that we want, and they have to do the same, right? All right, let's read a little more.
I want to hold the leash. I want to hold it. What if I hold the leash going to the park? Then I can hold the leash going home. Meeting in the middle made us both happy. We should compromise more often, please.
All right, so they were fighting over who was going to hold the dog's leash, right? And then they met in the middle and said, what if we take turns? So they met halfway. All right, let's look at the other example.
Please clean your room now. This is such a good book. Mom, can I finish this chapter first and then clean my room? Okay, Mario, that is a good compromise.
So him and his mom met in the middle. She wanted him to clean his room right now, and he just wanted to finish the whole book. So they met in the middle because he said, okay, I'll just read one chapter and then I'll clean my room. And mom said that was okay. So they compromised. Let's read another example.
Think about this situation and then tell how the children could compromise. I want to play soccer. No, let's go to the playground.
So how could they compromise or meet in the middle here? The girl with the black hair wants to play soccer, and the girl with the blonde hair wants to go play on the playground. What do you guys think they can do to compromise? What can they do? I want you to think about that for a minute. What can they do to compromise? All right. So what I want you to do is in your reading books, notebooks, you're going to write down what you think they should do. So you're going to open your reading notebooks, okay, to the next blank page. You're not going to skip in the middle. You're not doing this in your writing notebook. You're not doing this in your word work notebook. You're doing this in your reading notebook. Open to the next blank page, and I want you to title it. That means for the top, on the top, I want you to write Meet Me Halfway, okay? And then you're going to write today's date at the top. And then you're going to tell me how these kids could solve this problem. How could they compromise? The girl in the black hair wanted to play soccer, and the girl in the blonde hair wanted to play on the playground. How could they meet halfway? So you're going to write, everyone, you have to write in a complete sentence. So you're going to write, the girls can meet halfway or compromise by, and then tell me how. So the girls can meet halfway or compromise by, I don't want to give you any ideas because I know you're going to take them, but I want you to write your ideas in your notebook, okay? And then that's all you're going to do today for your reading lesson. It's a very short lesson today. All right, then you can go enjoy your centers. All right, have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.